ever pondered upon the sheer power and cataclysmic effect of an atomic bomb? What began as a simple theory in the minds of scientists transformed into a weapon of mass destruction capable of changing the course of history. In the early 20th century, scientists began to unravel the mysteries of the atom. Ernest Rutherford, a New Zealand-born physicist, was the first to split an atom in 1917, but it was Albert Einstein's theory of relativity that hinted at the tremendous energy locked within these tiny particles. Fast forward to the 1930s, and we find physicists Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann in Germany, discovering nuclear fission. The world was at the brink of the Second World War, and the potential of this discovery as a powerful weapon didn't go unnoticed. In the United States, the Manhattan Project was born. The Manhattan Project was a top-secret research project that aimed to develop the first atomic bomb. The project, led by J. Robert Oppenheimer, brought together the brightest minds of the time, including many European scientists who had fled the Nazi regime. The culmination of their tireless work was the Trinity test on July 16, 1945, in New Mexico. The world's first atomic bomb, codenamed Gadget, was detonated. The explosion was equivalent to about 20 kilotons of TNT and created a mushroom cloud that rose over 7.5 miles high. Less than a month later, the real power of the atomic bomb was demonstrated on a horrifying scale. On August 6th and 9th, the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan were obliterated by atomic bombs, leading to Japan's surrender and marking the end of World War II. In the years following the war, the United States and the Soviet Union embarked on an arms race, developing more powerful atomic and later hydrogen bombs. The world lived in the shadow of potential nuclear war during the Cold War era, a stark reminder of the devastating power of these weapons. Allow me to recapitulate. The genesis of the atomic bomb stands as a colossal testament to human scientific endeavor, but it came with a price tag of unthinkable proportions. The very inception of this weapon was fueled by the dire urgency of wartime, and its deployment heralded an era in mankind's saga. The immediate aftermath of an atomic explosion is sheer obliteration on an unimaginable scale. Yet the repercussions that lurk in the shadows, radiation sickness, ecological pollution, and psychological scars, are equally catastrophic. Even in our contemporary world, the residue of the atomic bomb serves as a stark sentinel, a chilling reminder of mankind's potential for annihilation, and underscores the critical need for diplomacy and disarmament as the fulcrum of global harmony. Atomic bombs, once viewed as the ultimate safeguard, are now perceived as harbingers of universal extinction. The narrative of the atomic bomb is a somber parable, underscoring the immense power and the profound responsibility that are the twins of scientific innovation.